Sir, do you have any interesting story when you were shooting and between the time?
The most interesting fact was when we started the shoot, when we were going to start the shoot, 7 days before, Daya sir comes and tells me, I cannot be there for the first day of the shoot, I'm going for Singam. And it was, as it is very difficult to bring all three of them together on the same time, same day. And Daya sir has to go for Singam. So I had to rearrange the entire schedule so that Daya sir could come, and Daya sir had shot virtually for 48 hours somewhere outside Mumbai, and then he came here at the night time. And he was not there for the first day, first shot of the film. When he's the producer, we do our puja and everything else, Daya sir was not there. He joined, in fact, 3 days later. So that is like, he just trusted us. Chalo tum log kar lo, main baad mein aata hu. So, and most of the days were nights that we shot. That is the most interesting thing, in fact. Because rest of all these actors are so good. We don't have to worry. Once we've told them what they are going to do, and that's it. You don't even have to enter the floor because their scripts are with them and they know their business. So for the director also it's easy. So, Sonali ji is there, Aditya sir is there. Aditya sir is an NSD and who's the best when it comes to acting. The best actor you've got on the floor.
Was there any particular challenge that you faced during the shooting?
Not really. No challenges as such, because the subject is such that we were in a very controlled atmosphere. It was a house. The most challenging, all I can say, was handling the crowd in Churchgate and other places where we had gone for doing the outdoors. Because the fan following that Daya sir and Aditya sir has, it's very difficult to handle the crowd there. Everybody keeps coming, popping up, and that becomes difficult. Baki to theek hai.
Okay. So how was your overall experience working with all of them?
I've worked with these guys for the last 20 years, more than 20 years. So it's like working at home, it's family.
So nice, sir.